two heavy hitters for business rewards. One big question: which one really delivers for entrepreneurs in 2025? On the left, Inc. Business Unlimited. Effortless, unlimited 1.5% cash back on everything. And on the right, Inc. Business Cash. Maximize rewards with top value bonus categories. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real numbers. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which card comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we dive in, here's a quick overview of what I'm going to compare. We've got reward structure, simplicity and ease of use, the welcome offer, annual fee and APR, redemption flexibility, and card benefits like purchase protection and warranty. Yep, covering all the angles so you get the full picture. Let's kick things off with what everyone cares about first: reward structure. Starting with Inc. Business Unlimited. And I have to admit, the hook is pretty sweet. You get a straight-up, unlimited 1.5% cash back on everything. No cap, no fuss. That's super chill for anyone who just wants cash back without thinking about categories. But, if most of your spend is in certain categories, like gas or supplies, you honestly might be leaving some money on the table. So that could be a bummer. Now, Inc. Business Cash is a little more dramatic. You've got these bonus categories, like 5% cash back on office supplies, internet, cable, phones up to 25 grand every year, plus 2% at gas stations and restaurants, again, capped, and an extra 10% for the first year if you also have Chase Business Checking. That's kind of wild. But yeah, once you hit the yearly cap or spend outside those categories, it's just 1% back. So there's a bit of a trade-off. For maximum earnings on those specific categories, Inc. Business Cash snags the win in this round. Now, let's talk about simplicity and ease of use, because honestly, who wants to track spending categories when you're busy running a business? Inc. Business Unlimited is all about set it and forget it. You swipe, you get your 1.5%. That's it. You don't need spreadsheets or reminders or any of that admin headache. Seriously, it's almost soothing how straightforward it is. Inc. Business Cash, on the other hand, is awesome if you're disciplined and all your spend sits neatly in those bonus areas. But you pretty much need bells and whistles to keep tabs on caps and categories. For busy businesses with unpredictably wild expenses, Inc. Unlimited totally wins for being stress-free. All right, rolling into the welcome offer. Both of these cards are actually tied here. Yeah, really. Whether you go unlimited or cash, you get $900 after spending $6 grand in 3 months. No strings, no weird hoops. Honestly, it's just a juicy sign-up bonus. So no winner in this category. They're twins. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Both these cards hook you up with 5% back on Lyft rides until September 30th, 2027. So if your team is always zipping around, definitely keep that in mind. Next up, annual fee and APR. You know what? Both cards play the nice guy here. 0 annual fee and a generous 0% intro APR on purchases for the first year. It's hard to be sarcastic or dramatic here because, who's going to complain about saving on fees and interest when you're starting out? No winner. It's a straight tie. Quick detour to redemption and flexibility. So you rack up all these points. What can you actually do with them? With either card, unlimited or cash, you can turn those rewards into cash. Snag gift cards, book travel, and even more via Chase. Nothing super quirky here, but nothing bad either. Again, no winner. It's solid across the board. And last, but definitely not least, let's chat about card benefits and protections. You get purchase protection, extended warranty, and even primary car rental coverage for business use. Whether you're rolling with unlimited or cash, both come through with the same lineup of perks. So score is tied here, too. All right, visual learners, check out this radar chart, imaginary chart incoming, showing how each card scores across all our categories. You can see Inc. Business Cash pulls ahead when it comes to bonus category rewards, but Inc. Business Unlimited owns ease of use. Everything else, they're neck and neck. So, bottom line, go with Inc. Business Unlimited if you just want to set it, swipe it, and rack up effortless rewards on, literally everything your business buys. But if your biggest bills are for office supplies, internet, cable, dining, or gas, honestly, Inc. Business Cash could mean way more bonus cash back in your pocket. Both are pretty awesome, but the way you spend is what matters. Want to get smarter with your business rewards? Hit that follow. I'll keep breaking down more of these money moves every